Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple and mouth-watering Ghanaian meat or cow meat pepper soup or light soup recipe with you all. It's so easy to put together, and trust me, the taste was amazing. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so to begin with this meat pepper soup, I will start by cooking my vegetables. So for vegetables, I'll be using some pepper, garden eggs, fresh tomatoes, and I also added in a little bit of carrot, but unfortunately I lost the clips. I'll add in some water to it, just enough to cook it very well. Okay, whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and steam our meat. So I have my fresh and nicely washed cow meat. To seasoning this meat, I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll also go in with some cow meat seasoning powder and some garlic and ginger powder as well, and also some salt to taste. I will cover it and allow it to steam in its own juices until it is ready. So after 5 minutes, I will give it a gentle stir. And as you can see, the meat has released a little bit of water, but the meat is still not ready, so I'll cover it and allow it to cook for extra 5 to 10 minutes. While that is going on, we are back to check on our vegetables, and it has really been cooked very well. It's looking all soft and ready to blend, so I'll just go ahead and blend this and set it aside. We are back to check on the meat as well. After extra 5 to 10 minutes, I'll give it a gentle stir and I'll go in with some water to cook the meat very well. At this point, I'll allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes because the meat was really hard, so I need to cook it until it's nice and tender. Alright, so after extra 10 to 15 minutes, the meat is nice and tender, so I'll go in with my blended vegetables. And I also forgot to add in some tomato paste, and since I have in some fresh tomatoes, if you don't want to add in the tomato paste, feel free to omit it. Okay, I'll give it a gentle stir, cover it and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 40 minutes of cooking the soup, it is nice and ready. As you can see, it's looking very mouth-watering and very tasty. At this point, all that is left is for you to serve yourself and enjoy. So I enjoyed mine with some fufu. You can also enjoy yours with any swallow or anything that you can enjoy this soup with it. Okay, now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching and kindly stay blessed.